Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today, I am going to be working on my currently for the month of May. I am using these blooms and icon stickers from Live Love Posh. As you guys know, I absolutely adore her stickers. So I thought I'm going to use some bright and colorful ones for the month of May. Okay, and as I'm doing this, I wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers. So if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are brand new, welcome. I am so happy and excited you found me. I hope you like it here. Okay, so I am going to be working on this as my currently page. And that means I'm going to be writing what I'm doing at this exact moment at the beginning of May, and I hope you guys like this. And this particular page is from my 12-month Teresa Collins Classic Size Happy Planner. So I am going to be covering up a few of the prompts. So I'm going to start with these beautiful succulents, and I love these blue hues, so I thought I'm going to include them in there. Also, I really like these bright florals, so I'm going to be possibly using those as well. Add this flower first. And kind of frame the May around with the florals. I think that might look really good. Like so. And then I can cut out the top whenever I'm ready. These are lovely, but I don't think they match. So I'm going to continue adding. Let's see. It's nice that this one already is cut to edge, so I can just apply it to the bottom of my page and not worry about cutting it, and it's perfect. I'm gonna add another one around the reflecting on, like so. I think that's super lovely. And I'm gonna grab one more and put it on this side of May to add that possess. Oh my gosh, this page is so beautiful already. Okay, and then I'm gonna add monthly colorful boxes, and I think I'm gonna stick with the blues and the greens and write out some prompts in them. So here we go. I hope everybody's week is going well, and I hope that everybody's May is starting fabulously and it's warm and beautiful and everybody is happy. Okay. I'm just gonna add these to add individual prompts. And I'm going to do different shades of green and teal and blue to kind of incorporate all of the blue shades of these succulents and bring it in, especially because that pink color is so vibrant. It it really sticks out so brightly. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding those colors to kind of tone it down. Okay, so we have 5 and I need a couple more. We need another 5, I think. I do about 10 prompts that every single month. Okay, so keep adding those. I love doing those green shades. I think they're so awesome, especially for May. They like bring something to the table, right? I hope it's not just me thinking that. Okay, and some of these are a little crooked, but it's okay. I am using my Pilot G2 in gel, and I'm gonna write some prompts. So we have reading and watching. We have cooking, eating, dreaming, feeling, listening, celebrating, going, and crafting. And now it's finally time to fill those out. And I think that'll be it. So let's go ahead and fill this out together. I'm gonna grab another pen. This is the Pentel .38, and it is a felt tip, so they write pretty great. So I've been watching this show called Brother and Sisters on Netflix, and I actually find it pretty awesome. I've been cooking a lot of rice bowls. I've been experimenting with those, and I think that's pretty fun to do. Let me move that away so I can focus on the page and not be distracted by pretty stickers, because then I want to keep adding them. I've been eating pretty delicious things, but mostly no sugar, which is amazing, obviously. Hopefully that continues on. I would like that to continue on for sure. Feeling, I've been doing pretty great. Ever since I changed my job, I've been doing quite well when it comes to the way I feel, which makes me super happy. I have been listening to a podcast called Ear Hustle. It is about St. Quentin. It's a incarceration, and it's stories from there, and I think it's pretty interesting. It's interesting to see what is going on the inside of the jail and the stories. So if you guys have a chance, or if you're listening to the same thing, let me know. And I'm going on vacation, or I actually just am finishing the vacation on May 2nd, so way after I'm filming this. Celebrating Alec and I, and dreaming of a new home. Do you guys fill out your currently pages? If you do, let me know. I'm very curious to see how you guys do this one. And I am reading a book called Matchmaking for Beginners. It's a novel about kind of like a good vibey feel with somebody who believes in good wishes and vibes and so on. So I think that's a lot of fun. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Bye!